Meaning of fisherwoman.
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 Fisherwoman. A fisherwoman is a woman who catches fish for a living or as a hobby. She uses various methods like nets, fishing lines, fishing traps, and hooks to catch fish from rivers, lakes, oceans, and other bodies of water. Fisherwomen may work independently or as part of a team, and their catches are often sold in local markets for consumption or commercial use. In addition to fishing, fisherwomen may also clean and prepare their catches for sale or personal consumption. Overall, a fisherwoman is a skilled and hard-working individual who plays an important role in the fishing industry.